Hello, it's Bailey with Woodcut Renters. Here's a room tour of the new rooms at the villas of the Grand Floridian for DVC. You start off into the bathroom. You have a nice big shower and a toilet, and this door does shut. You have a nice double vanity. You have this little seating area here where you can set your bags. And then you have a microwave, Keurig, and a little mini fridge down there. You have 2 queen-size beds. Each have nightstands in the middle, and it does have these little platforms here with USB outlets. And you have spacious closet. And another closet that does have a dryer and a safe. You have some drawers that you can put things in. You have the TV. And you do have this couch that does pull out into a bed for extra if you have other people staying in the room. A little table. Some nice lighting. And then you come out to the balcony, and you do get a nice view of the Magic Kingdom. At night you can hear the enchantment show going, and the past 2 nights or early mornings, they have been running the Christmas time parade, practicing getting ready for the holiday season. But this is the room. It is a theme park room. Enjoy.